And hello everyone, this is Ergo, and I'm going to try to do an unboxing video of the Blue Yeti microphone. So this is supposed to be one of the best, if not the best, USB microphone on the market. So let's see what's inside. So I ordered it from Lazada. You can see it has a lot of bubble wrap. Make sure it's protected. Yeah, gonna have fun popping the bubbles later. Go. Opening, and it's starting to take shape. Let's remove the bubble wrap. And there we go. Blue Yeti Nano. So just order the normal black / gray color. Don't really need it to be colorful. It might distract from the stream. As you can see the descriptions. Legendary blue broadcast sound. Ooh, I wonder what my voice will sound like once I plug this thing up in my laptop. And let's remove the plastic cover. Lots of scotch tape here, but easily enough to remove. Okay, no more plastic cover. As you can see, the box is somewhat damaged. There are dents on the edges, the corners. Hopefully that's all that's damaged and not the product. Okay, so we'll find out. If not, we'll have to ask for a refund. Anyway, we have this all on video, so we have evidence. And let's open it from the top. Okay, more sealed. Yeah, I have to remove this first. The box is sealed, so I have to remove this stuff. Forgot what it's called. The sealant. Something like that. Okay. And just what else? Up it goes. And there is, I think that's okay, more protection for the microphone. So how do we remove this? It's not moving, it's sealed tight. Okay, there we go. And there's a white box covering it inside the box. So this should be easy enough. Okay, more sealant stuff here. Let's get rid of this. Yeah. Go. Okay. Register your product. Good. So these we have some form of warranty. There's a product guide. So we get discounts if you register on their website. And what is this? Get the most of your Yeti Nano with the Blue Sherpa companion app. Alright, there's a software for this, as expected from a top-lined USB microphone. So let's get on to the product. Yeah, she looks sexy. Let's remove it first. Make sure not to damage anything. Slowly but surely. Okay, so it comes with its own stand. As you can see, you can rotate the microphone. So it looks very stable. It's heavy. Very, very durable, I believe. So even if it falls down, you can be sure it will not break. At least not that easily. Okay, it looks very good. It looks very simple as well. There's button here or panel here for the volume. This one, not sure, maybe power. Then under, I think there's a okay, the slot for the USB and another one for headphones. Nice, I can use my headphones with this. All right, okay, and let's check out the rest of the accessories that came with the mic. So this one is the what is this? The USB connector, I guess. Yep, it is the USB connector. Let's check it out to make sure. It's removing. Taking a while. Well, at least they made sure to package this properly. There we go. So USB, and this one goes to your Blue Yeti microphone. Then aside from that, uh, we have this one. I guess it's for this one with the bottom. Yeah, looks like it fits. I assume it's for this one. Maybe if you want to remove it from the stand, you can connect it to somewhere else or make it more stable with this. Yeah, it looks like you can put something here so you can more easily hold it. You can make it longer. It's kind of like a selfie stick. It's a selfie microphone. Okay, what else? Well, we have silicone gel, and that's it. That's it for our unboxing. So we'll give this a try later. Let's see how good our voice will sound with this microphone.
Voila! There we go. So I set it up. Basically, I just plug in the cable to the microphone, then other end to my computer, and I just let the mic do its thing. I have yet to install any software. It's just literally plug and play. So I think this is recording my voice. I can see the sound. It's recognizing my voice. I'm not sure how I sound. I hope I sound good. I hope so. This should be one of the best microphones for game streaming, studio, voice acting, and whatnot. So I will find out shortly. Anyway, thank you for watching our unboxing video of the Blue Yeti Nano. Hope you enjoyed. Please follow our channel for more unboxing videos and also some game streaming videos. Ergo the Lowly Human signing off. Bye guys. Have a good day.